Hey guys, next up we are going to tackle Killian Rolling in Love. This is how this looks like. This was a tester, but it looks exactly like the original in this. So this one is the original. Yes, you can get all these perfumes that I'm showing you guys from Original Testers Plug KE. I'm gonna tag them below so you can go and check them out. But here, I'm also gonna leave a number where you can find them. So this one, so you see, I told you guys that I had very little left, and this is my first bottle, and I fell in love with this one. So yeah, let's unbox this one. Comes with a note card, and then this silica gel thing that protects it, and here is Killian Rolling in Love. She looks so gorgeous, she looks so adorable. It's usually 50 mls. Ooh. Yes, and this is just an empty box which I'm gonna throw away. Let's do a comparison of the two. This is with the product, the original, and this one is the tester. Oh my gosh, I love Killian Rolling in Love, to be specific. The other one, I do have two more Killians which I'm gonna show you. Yeah, I do have this one, and I also have this one. So yeah, my collection of Killian is growing, and I love that. So this bottle, the original bottle, you'll get it for 8,500 Kenya shillings. It's not a tester. The tester was going for 4,000. Okay, so you can refill this bottle. Oh my gosh, she smells amazing. I just feel it melting into me. Like, yeah, that's how good this is. It's so milky. It's I don't know how to explain it, but of course the notes will be here. Love her. You see how kidogo this was. Like, literally, this was just one day or 2 days product left. But yeah, I'm glad to have gotten another one. Yes, bye.